Bliss.io.
Hiya guys, Iodine here from JE Science, and today, me and Indium will be testing out what happens if we put our top secret JEW chemical on tinfoil and a couple other things containing it. The future Iodine here, we ended up making slime, or technically I did with his input. Step 1. Pour your water into your container.
Add some blaze powder to make slime.
I'm going to use blaze powder for the coloring. It's just cornstarch and food coloring. The bag opened. And now we're going to pour some of this into the water. It's very soft. I probably should go get a spoon. And you can pour as much of this as you want in.
They're not going to have that.
So the alternative for this is to mix cornstarch and food coloring into this separately, because this is literally just what that is. So yeah. Next you stir. And you add your next thing, which for me is going to be my salt. There we go. Yep, that worked. And now we cover the hole. Okay. And now the flour. This will be what actually makes this experiment work. Here we go. I'm going to take some flour. We're just going to unstick the bag from the spoon and scoop the flour in. Hello, future Iodine again. I came here again to say the following footage that's not exactly following has been deleted on purpose, because it's just me adding in the same ingredients over and over and over again in multiple different quantities to try to fix my watered down solution. So because that would get boring for you to see me suffer, it probably wouldn't be boring for you, but you get the point. I have deleted the footage. Soda. That's what I did wrong. I forgot the soda. So this is all I have because I put way too much water to begin with, and I don't really know how to drain out the water. Future Iodine. Here to say, the following footage is when things started actually beginning to work. Somehow miraculously. I did not think we would get to this point, but yeah. Alright, time to get a little sample of it. It's pretty liquidy still.
No, that's nice. Okay.
Only issue is I don't have anything to clean my hands up with. Okay. More flour. The following footage is where things really started to work out. And I got very happy. I did not edit the following as much, so it's more me struggling to success.
You want to see?
I'm about done. We get more cornstarch because that seems important. Alright, I'll mix. Oh, yes. Yes. Now let me add in that liquid back in again. We finally have slime. Look at this. Jai, I did it. Jai, what? Indium, sodium. I made slime. Look at this. Look at this masterpiece.
And we're also going to bounce a snowball.
Are you looking?
Oh, can I see? Yeah.
Here we go. It's very thick. Doesn't help that I'm mixing with a plastic spoon, but just gonna stir the rest of those dry ingredients in really nicely, and then I'm gonna stick my hands in.
Oh, you're gonna stir the rest, like the tapioca and the salt and the baking soda and the sugar?
No, I'm finishing stirring.
Oh.
Like the rest of the mixture.
This is the war. What's it called? War? But where are all the lighters? Oh, you only get 3 fires with.
Whoa!
Play. Play.
Whoa! Definitely is not stirred enough. I reach my hand and I can feel chunks, but Jai.
Yes? Wow. Iodine is playing with slime.
Orange blaze powdered colored slime, and I need tissues to wipe off my hand. I'm gonna stir this up a bit more because it needs it desperately. We're gonna add a little bit more blaze powder because it's more gooey consistency, and I want it to be slightly more thick. You don't have to do all this. You can have this is a custom slime thing. You can adjust the amounts however you want. Yeah. Gonna have to edit this or else it'll be... Oh, wow. This smells good. Kind of smells like raw pasta.
It probably does, because it's flour. Let's make it a cake. Let's make it really tight. But can we make it so that they can't escape? Let's add some wood or something. So they can't escape.
Whoa.
They can't escape.
Here, I'm gonna raise the camera.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah! What are you doing with it? Are you eating it?
No. Don't eat this. Even though it has edible ingredients, it probably won't taste very good. It's like pudding consistency, and it smells like raw pasta. Then we use the finger, and it's very liquidy. Ew.
It's very liquid.
It's sticky.
Okay. Yeah?
How do I dispose of this, though? Feature me here one final time to answer the question I asked at the end of that clip. I ended up trying to put it in a Ziploc bag to keep it, and then I ended up just rinsing it all down the sink and rinsing all the plastic stuff that should be disposable that I don't have any more of to use. No idea how to seal back the bags. Yeah. Let me outro. Alright, so if you liked me making slime today, leave a like on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. Social links are right here, and have a nice day.